Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send your tattoo catalog brochure to potential customers from Facebook leads on WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you are a tattoo shop owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your tattoo catalog brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the potential customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, take the details of the customers from your Facebook lead ads. Then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach the brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be very difficult when you have large number of customers, say hundreds and thousands of customers leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a new lead is generated in your Facebook account, automatically the brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of that particular lead. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook lead ad form where I have asked for the email address, full name and phone number of the customer. And this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically the catalog, the brochure of my tattoos, it should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as, okay, I have to give the email address adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. And I'll just give the phone number over here. And let's click on next and submit it. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So this particular page has been filled. Now let us check WhatsApp whether this particular customer has received a message or not on his WhatsApp number. I'll just close this window and we'll go to WhatsApp. Okay, so here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in skin tattoo parlors. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tattoo shop. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Skin Tattoo Parlors. Okay, now let us click on this link and see what we have received on this link. Okay, so we have received a tattoo brochure over here. Okay. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically a message along with the link is sent on the WhatsApp number. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So at step 1, first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Then we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads form, that data will be used and a message will be sent along with the brochure on the WhatsApp number of the potential customer. Here we are using 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on sign up for free. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Now here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So here I have given the workflow name as send your tattoo catalog brochure on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. Now let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled in Facebook account, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the potential customers. So in the trigger application, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. Let us select this. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now here we can see that Facebook lead ads is connected to my Pabbly Connect account. So why I am connected? Just because I have already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Okay. Now here we have to give the page and lead generation form name. Okay, so here I'll take you to my Facebook page first. I'll just open the Facebook page over here. So Skin Tattoos Parlor, this is the Facebook page which I have already created. The name is Skin Tattoo Parlors. We have to select this page. Let us select the page first. Skin Tattoo Parlors. Okay. So on this particular page, Skin Tattoo Parlors page, I am running the Facebook lead ads. Okay. Now here we have to give lead generation, lead gen form. Okay. So I'll just take you to the form also which I have already created. So this is the form, tattoo design brochure form which I am running on my Facebook page. So I'll just select this form, tattoo design brochure form. Let us go to Pabbly Connect and here we can see tattoo design brochure form is automatically selected. Here, okay, let us select this and then let us click on save and send test request. So before clicking on save and send test request, we have to fill a form first because it will capture the latest response over here. So I'll just fill the form once. I'll just go to my form, lead ad testing form, and here let us give the name as Shikha Arya. I'm giving the email address shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya. And now let us give the phone number over here, 7999724918. Okay, and now let's click on next, submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Okay, so we have filled the ads form here. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here now we are going to click on save and send test request. So now here we can see the responses received, okay, and all the details which we have filled are captured in this array format over here. Okay, here we can see the email address, the name and the phone number of this particular customer. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message to Shikha Arya because she will be our potential customer. So here in the application, let us select 360 dialog application. In the action event, we have to select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain name. So let us read the instructions first. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So let me take you to my 360 dialog account first. I'll just go to 360 dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to the WhatsApp accounts. Let's click on this. Here we can find our option generate API key. So you have to click on generate API key option. You have to generate an API key, copy that API key, come back to Pabbly Connect and you have to paste the API key over here. Okay. Now we have to give the domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get by generating the API key. So this is the domain. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay. Now let me give you one more information over here, that we don't have to generate the API key again and again. Once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various connections. Okay. So now as I have already generated the API key in my 360 Dialog account, so I'm not going to generate another API key, and I'll be using the same API key over here. Okay. As I have already created a connection over here, I'm just clicking on choose existing connection and I'll just click on save. Now here we can see 360 Dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to give the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number. Okay. So I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog once again, and here we can find the option manage templates. I'll just click on this. Now here you can see that I have created so many templates and got it approved from Facebook. So if you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, add template. Here you can give the template name. You can select the category, whatever category you want, account update, payment update, shipping update, any category you can select. Here you can select the language, in which language you want to make this particular template. Okay, and here the template type can be selected, and here you can give the body of the template, what is the text you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then you have to click on preview and submit, and your post will be approved by Facebook. Okay, this particular template will be approved. So I'll just close this window, and here I'm going to select the template which I have already created and got it approved. Okay, so I'll just find the one. This is the template, send brochure _ final. I'll be just opening this particular template. So this is the template which I have already created. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These curly braces, numbers I have given in the curly braces. So these will be the body fields which are going to change. Okay. Hello. Here number 1. So here we are going to, here we want the name of the customer which is going to change every time. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here our business name or our organization name is going to reflect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our, again here you can give your organization name or institute name. Here link, we can attach a link of any of the brochure or catalogs. For more details, you can visit our website. Here in the 5th parameter, we can give the website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again the organization name is going to reflect at the 6th parameter. So these are the bodies which we have mapped over here. Now we have to select this particular template, send _ brochure _ final. This template we are going to use right now. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to select the same template. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. Now we are not going to change anything over here. Now here we have to give the recipient mobile number. Who is going to receive this particular message? So the recipient will be the customer which we have got from Facebook lead ads. This Shikha Arya mobile number we have to map now. So I'll just go to here. I'll click on Facebook lead ads, and from here we are going to map the mobile number, this one. Here an important instruction is mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. In this case, we already have a country code. If you don't have the country code in front of the number, please add the country code before the number. Now here we have to give body field 1. Example is also given, Heather Ali. Now we are coming to the template once again. Here in the first parameter, we want the name of the customer. We have to give the first parameter. So the name of the customer, we are going to map it from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect is given. In our template also, body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. So here we have to mention the name of our organization or the shop name. So here the shop name is Skin Tattoo Parlors. We are going to map this now. Sorry, we are going to type it now. Skin Tattoo Parlors. Okay. Now body field 3 example is given, software. Let us see in our template. Here we have to give. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our shop. Tattoo shop, we can give it as tattoo shop. So I'll just type tattoo shop over here. Okay. Now we have to give body field 4. Example is also given. A link is given. So I'll just take you to template once again, and here we have to give the link. So I have already copied, I have saved that particular brochure which I want to send on the WhatsApp number in my Google Drive. So this is the brochure, tattoo brochure, which I have saved in my Google Drive. I'll be selecting this. For that, I'll just make a right click over here. Here I'll get the option share. Click on this. Now here we are going to get a link. Let's just click on copy link option. Link is copied. Go to Pabbly Connect and we have to paste that link over here. Okay. Now body field 5 example is given, the website address. Here also we want to give our website address. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page, and from here I'll just copy this website address. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste it over here. Okay. Now the last parameter, body field 6. Here also again we have to give the shop name or the organization name. Thank you, regards, and here the 6th parameter is going to reflect. So the shop name was Skin Tattoo Parlors. I'll just copy this from here and I'll just paste it over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. Okay. Now let us check whether this particular customer has received a message on his WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. I'll go to WhatsApp and here we have received a message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Skin Tattoo Parlors. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tattoo shop. Here the website is also mentioned. And here we can see the Skin Tattoo Parlors, regards. So here we can see this was the first parameter, Shikha Arya. This was the second parameter. Okay. Then the third parameter we have given was tattoo shop. Then we have given a link, 4th parameter. Then we have given the website address, 5th parameter. And at last, this was the 6th parameter. So all of these are captured here correctly. So now let us click on the link and check whether the particular brochure is sent on the WhatsApp or not. Okay, so this is a tattoo brochure which is sent on the WhatsApp number. Okay, so here we can see that the correct message has been sent to the customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now let us scroll up. Okay. And now let us check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to my Facebook lead ads. And here, let us fill a template. Let us fill this form first. And this time, I'm just giving the name as Sanjay. Sorry, I have to give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 32@gmail.com. And let's give the name over here as Sanjay Sharma. I'll just give the mobile number also. And now let's click on next and let us submit it. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So now let us check whether this particular customer has received a message on his WhatsApp number or not. So now here we can see a new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in Skin Tattoo Parlors. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message along with this particular link is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer also. Okay, so I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect. Let us minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll just minimize this one also. Okay, so in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad forms, automatically the WhatsApp message should be sent on his WhatsApp number, including the tattoo catalog brochure. So in this way, we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.